Hey there, book lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Book Review in a Minute. Today, we explore an essential read for anyone nearing retirement or already there. How to Make Your Money Last: The Indispensable Retirement Guide by Jane Bryant Quinn. This book is a treasure trove of wisdom for retirees looking to manage their finances effectively and make their savings last. If you're interested in strategies for securing a comfortable retirement, this book is a must-read. Jane Bryant Quinn, a renowned personal finance expert, shares her extensive knowledge and practical advice on how to stretch your retirement savings. She covers everything from managing investments, maximizing Social Security benefits, to planning for healthcare costs. Quinn's approachable writing and detailed guidance make complex topics easy to understand. So, if you want to ensure a financially secure and stress-free retirement, this book is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep reading and stay smart.